2 more days for this year to finish. We are super excited for next year.
I guess everybody will be super excited for next year, but I hope this year treated you well and your families are safe.
Yes.
On that high note, today is a Friday! It's unusual. We haven't made pakoras and all the fried food kind of things. We have fried chicken or something like that, but we haven't made like super fried food.
For a long time.
Last time we did it in 2017. And we are not exaggerating. You can go back and look all our vlogs.
Yeah.
But anyways, that's not the point. The point is, Yeshu and Ashley are coming here. We thought, how about we enjoy something that we all love. So Tanya makes some thing called aloo bonda. It's like an egg that is wrapped in potatoes
and then deep fried. I used to eat it on my school days, like during our lunch break. We used to sneak into the canteen and get that stuff. Yeah. So that is what I'm making.
So we are kind to relive certain memories here. So she's gonna make that. The first time she made it, I still remember she was super excited because she was shocked to core that I have never eaten that.
Yeah.
And she was like, how could you never eat that? So she made that and I loved it. So I asked her to make that again. And Nitish also was in the same hostel. So I think he's gonna relive some memories there. And then I used to go in the school canteen, and at that time the bread pakora was supposed to be 2 rupees. So I used to have 10 rupees and I used to be this rich person walking with 5 friends and getting 5 bread pakora then and having a treat there and party, you know. So I'm at least gonna make 1 or 2 bread pakora. Like there is gonna be an assortment, so we are not making one kind too much.
Yeah.
So
we're making paneer pakora, gobi ke pakora, and then aloo pyaj
pakora,
and aloo bonda.
Bread pakora.
And bread pakora.
Yeah, so, and I mean, we could have made like eggplant, bagan pakora.
But we don't have that, so.
But we don't have that, and we won't be able to eat that much.
Yeah.
So that's the plan for the day. I mean, so far, that's what's going on. We are prepping right here. I'm doing the prep with onions and potatoes for the aloo pyaj pakora.
And I am boiling potatoes are boiled over there. I'm gonna boil the eggs now and mash the potatoes and make the mixture.
Yep. So stay tuned for our assortment of pakoras today.
The mixture is ready here, and the eggs are boiled. Here is the paneer and cauliflower. This is the potato onion bhaji mix and
besan,
chickpea flour, and now we're just gonna make the batter over here. And so for this one we're gonna add besan over here and make the mixture, and this one is just gonna be chickpea flour with some spices for these, and they'll be ready. Alright, this is for the bread pakora.
It's gonna look like that.
And then we're gonna dip it in chickpea flour mixture and then fry it.
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, aloo bondas. Here are the aloo bondas. Ready to go in the deep fryer. The deep fryer is on. It's heating up at 374 degrees. This is the batter for those, and this is the mixture. We are gonna make some. Without the green chilies. Add the green chilies because Ashley doesn't eat green chilies. Because green chilies are a little too spicy for Ashley, so that's why we are separating it.
Yes.
And there is no chili in any of these, so she's gonna be just fine. And we are thinking of making some creative drink today.
Yeah,
let's see what happens about that.
Alright, so we made cold brew sweet cold foam. And then look at that. It looks so good. I'm a little late in capturing, but wow. Woo!
Not sure how that one goes.
Alright, all of these are ready. The bread pakora and last batch of pakoras are frying. Marvel? Yes.
Yeah, let's fry his ears.
No. So they're suggesting to cut up his ears and fry them.
And then
Nice crispy ears. Right, Marvel?
Okay, Ashley, this is
My plate looks like this. I have pakori, paneer pakori, half bread pakora, and cauliflower pakori, and the chutney and ketchup mix. He is serving me right here. And I think we're gonna watch some TV and enjoy some food. So it's been few hours since we last saw you. We had lunch. Nitesh actually left, and even though we were so excited about the fried food, we ate it. But you know, I don't know how to explain it. Like before, when we used to eat fried food, we used to be so excited and it used to satisfy us. But this time it was like, you know, it didn't give us joy. Yeah, it didn't give us joy. It was like kind of thing. So yeah, maybe I guess we are in that stage now that junk food, fried food, this type of fried food doesn't excite us anymore. So I think we crave more for healthy thing right now because our lifestyle has changed. Anyways, I'm editing a video right now and Mayank is doing a little bit of work. But yeah, we actually went out to Aldi and got some stuff for tomorrow's appetizer, so we're super excited, and we'll definitely vlog tomorrow. We will start the vlog in the evening tomorrow, because in the morning I'm gonna make biryani and I'm gonna make shrimp ceviche and then take it. So yeah, we're very excited for that. Marvel is right here. I'm having my little bit of Starbucks coffee. This is caramel brulee latte and it's so good. I think it's their Christmas flavors. And look at him, he actually wants to be fed and taken out. That's why he's sitting here. For dinner, we really don't know what we want to do. I know what I want to do is plain simple khichdi with rice and masoor dal or tur dal mix, and the one that people usually eat when they're sick, but I like it to eat like normally also. So that is what I'm going to eat. But yeah, let's see how the evening. Oh, forget about the evening. Well, Vikings new season is out, so we are super excited to watch that. We first thought that we already saw that season, but then we did not. So we are super excited because our whole evening is going to be gone watching Viking now.